More calls for leadership challenges in the PNP. We'll tell you who thinks some party positions need to be assessed. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, District Constable killed.
Residents put police under fire for school shooting.
But cops say they're not the ones who put young children at risk.
Tempers flare after a child is hurt when a Transport Authority team chases an illegal taxi.
And in the business day, credit unions call for BOJ to fast-track regulation of the sector.
There's also a ray of hope, sports commentary, and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
What do you think about the approach of the Transport Authority in their attempt to rid the streets of illegal taxi operators?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.